Hi all, my name is Juliana Valentina Parra Rodriguez. I am a student of 7th semester in Industrial Engineering, and today I will come to present one part of the Unit 1, Step 2, Comprehend Intellectual Property. So let's start. Okay, here we have our conceptual map in which we can see the issue that I select, that was excessive processing time at the moment of registering your intellectual property here in Colombia. So we have the causes and consequences. The first cause that I select was the legal system because it doesn't allow to reduce times, either optimize and streamline processes. The second cause that we have is that sometimes there are many requests to protect intellectual property in process. So it delays your processing time of registering your intellectual property. The consequences that we have is that many companies take the risk of not legally registering their innovations or projects. The second consequence is that other means are used, such as confidential contracts or agreements. And the last consequence that we have is that if it's about the launch of new products to the market, many potential customers may lose the interest in your product. But we have some recommendations to avoid this problem. So my first recommendation is that you have to learn more about the intellectual property registration process before approaching the corresponding offices, or even before making any innovation, to be clear about the times and the necessary requirements. And my second recommendation is that at the time of carrying out the entire process to register intellectual property, it's necessary to have all the requirements to carry out the process in order to avoid even more delays in your process. So that's all. Thank you so much and goodbye.